Hello, ma'am. This is our 6th week. With a great job for the team for the comprehension of past and present future understanding through writing and listening of the word. So this is your post-assessment day. Hello to our teacher. So now let's test your what have been learned for this past weeks. So there is 1 to 5. Just choose A, B, or C, and then check after you choose the correct verb. Okay. Write this down. Okay, you are done. So we'll correct what you have been answered. So number 1, I went or will go to the market yesterday. So what is your answer? B, I went. Why? Because of the word yesterday. Okay? So letter B is correct. Number 2, so ano yan? A, S, is, B, was, C, will be. Letter A, is. So my mother is cooking food now. So ano yan? Present? Present. So number 3, so what is the answer? Letter C, they will see tomorrow. They will see tomorrow. Okay. So that is future. Number 4, the bird flew away quickly. So the past. What is the answer? B. Okay. Number 5, letter A, we are happy children. So that is present. So got 5. 5. Very good. Patal natin ano. So thank you so much, Dane. Continue to learn about speaking the past and present and future. If you read the Bible, if you read books, so you will understand now what is past, present, and future. Okay? So because you got perfect answer, score, now I have my tokens to you. Drink Milo every day. Get coffee. Ayun ka. Kaway ka doon. Thank you, ma'am. Marami akong natutunan sa pagtuturo sa kanya. At itong final output ko sa ating final exam ay malaking tulong din kay Jane. Sinatuto siya ngayon unawa ng past, present, and future. God bless, ma'am, and thank you so much.